Good morning, guys. I have a Hino here 268 2012, and had a problem for the brake compressor. So what I need to pull it out and get maybe find another one, because this one make truck now creak, so not this truck now running. And before I do anything else, I need to find a room to pull the compressor out. So I need to take all this stuff out, this cable, and from there I think I go use had a 4 nuts and bottom one, so it's a little work a little bit, but it take a little while. So we go ahead, take all this stuff out, then we go from there. Stay with me. So every step I'll show you every step. So that's it. Let's go. Let's go do it. So this truck no creaks, you need to pull out that one. Without karum, try to make a room to pull this out. Now this one is this is the air brake compression. So already a clear on top, but I think it go down because that I get a good enough room on the bottom. So that's how I try to do now, to pull out, then put a new one. So maybe next video you can see down already. See right here, get enough room to pull out that one right there. So down here get a big room. So I'm already clear everything. So I take a little break, a bag now. So I come to try to take it off. So now maybe the next video, maybe I show the time I pull back, because I go get another one, maybe new, maybe used. I don't know, either way. But now I'm still trying like that now. I think I try work on it. Give us a subscriber. And like I told you before, this is Hino 268 2012. I got a little croak in air brake, so you're not working, no creak. Okay, thank you. Next break, next video maybe.